Hello, today I'm reviewing Acacia tea organizer box. Mine comes with 12 compartments, but I believe you can also find different options. I mainly use mine for tea, and as you can see, we drink a lot of tea in my house. But I think another good option this box could be for like organizing maybe your sewing supplies, maybe something in the laundry room, like cleaning closet. So what I really like about this box, it opens very easy, and it also has a magnetic closures right here, so when you close it, it actually stays intact. So another good thing is that the hinges are recessed, and the big point for me is this clear lid. You can literally see wherever's inside and you know exactly what to grab. And another good feature about that, the teeth come super easy. So you can see it is so easy to like put them all together, organize them. It's really nice, and compartments are also very, very deep. So in my experience, you can fit like up to 15 bags of tea, depends on your tea bags. And overall, I really, really like this box, and I like how it looks. I like functionality of it, and it's very, very stylish, modern, and sleek design. Thanks for watching.